Welcome to Class 6 Maths, Chapter 4, Basic Geometrical Ideas. Students, let us understand first of all about circle. What is a circle? Circle is a closed curve in a plane where every point on the curve is equidistant from a fixed point. So students, this is a fixed point and it is a closed curve and equidistant from a fixed point. So this fixed point is known as center. Now students, what is the circumference of a circle? Circumference of a circle is known as curve or length of this circle. So it is also known as perimeter of the circle, students. Now let us understand more about the parts of a circle. A circle is a set of points equidistant from its center, means from its fixed point. What is circumference? The distance around the outside of a circle is called the circumference. So this distance around outside of the circle is called circumference. It is also known as perimeter of the circle. Now let us understand about radius. The radius is the distance from the center of the circle to the circumference. So from the center to the circumference, distance is known as radius. What is diameter? The diameter is the distance across the width of the circle through the center. So this is the diameter passing through the center of the circle. Let us understand more about radius, diameter. Radius. Students, as we have understand that radius is a line segment that joins any point on the circle to its center. So here you can see this is a point M and this is a point O center. So it joins any point on the circle to its center. So this is known as radius. Now we should also know some terms of radius. Radii is plural of radius of a circle and they are equal in length. So radius is equal in length. So here students, if suppose this is 5 centimeter, all radius are 5 centimeter. All radii are 5 centimeter. So if there is more than one radius, we say as radii. And there are infinite number of radius can be drawn in a circle. What is the chord of a circle, students? By definition, a chord is a straight line joining two points on the circumference of a circle. The diameter of a circle is considered to be the longest chord because it joins 2 points on the circumference of a circle. Let us understand this with the figure. So students, what is chord? Chord is a line segment joins the 2 points on the circumference of a circle. So here you can see that line segment AB is a chord of a circle. Now let us understand more about diameter. Students, we have learned about chord that the chord is a line segment joining any 2 points on the circle. So here you can see that A is one point on the circle and B is another point on the circle. So line segment AB is a chord of the circle. We have also learned in the definition that diameter is also a chord of the circle because diameter is the chord that passing through the center of the circle and it is also longest chord of the circle. So students, diameter is a chord that passes through the center of the circle. So students, here you can see this is a diameter AB that passes through the center of the circle. You should also know that suppose here the radius is OM and ON. Diameter is the double of radius. So length of the diameter of a circle is twice the length of its radius. Now about sector. A sector of a circle is the region bounded by a center angle and the intercepted arc. Means a sector is a region bounded by 2 radii. This is the 2 radii and arc. So that is known as sector of the circle. Now let us understand about a segment. A segment of a circle is the region that is bounded by an arc and a chord. So this is a chord and arc. So this region is known as segment of the circle. Thank you.